Hello and welcome back to Crochet with Jane. Today we are going to learn how to crochet such beautiful ribbed fingerless mittens, or in other words, fingerless hand warmers. And they are ribbed, they are really easy, and they are pretty warm as well. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I really appreciate your support, so please like this video, share it, and subscribe to my channel in order not to miss my new videos. If you want to learn how to crochet a headband that will also make a beautiful set with these mittens, follow the link in my channel. This yarn is exactly the same as these hood bonnet or turtleneck hood or hood balaclava, and that way it makes a nice set. So if you want to learn how to crochet such beautiful bonnet balaclava, follow the link that is given in the comments down below. In the description below you are going to find a link to another type of mittens, and there is also a link to other patterns, and you are going to find different videos breakdowns too. That's if you want to fast forward or rewind any part of this crochet tutorial, you can find all of these down below. And surely if you have any questions or comment, please feel free to leave them down below. So if you're ready to get started, take your hook and let's begin. Let's start today's class with materials in it. For this tutorial we need yarn. It is an animal fiber yarn, and I've got this one on a well-known Chinese website, and I like it because it's fine and solid, and I've got two threads here, like the main one of animal fiber, and the additional one is it stretches better with this yarn, and it is more glossy with it. And after washing it will be even more fluffier, I would say. So, and for this yarn I've got 3.0 millimeter hook, and we also need scissors. So if you're ready to get started, take your hook and let's begin. Chain 40, but you can chain as much chains that you'd like. I want my hand warmer to be not long, so for me 40 is enough. We've chained 40, and I'm going to work underneath that top loop. It's just slip stitch, so into this one, because this one is a working, and we are just slip stitching. Keep it nice and loose. So you see, here we are just slip stitching. We have almost completed our round, our row. So here is just few stitches left. We keep it nice and loose. Chain one and turn. So pay attention to the way that you're turning it. You're turning it like a book all the time. Here are our V's. We are going to insert a hook into back loop here, and we proceed with slip stitching like this. Again, pull up and pull through. Let's complete this row and I'll be back. You should count stitches. It is really necessary here. This one. And here also is one. It often hides. Yep. Chain one. And like I said you before, you should turn it the same way all the time. And here, insert the hook, yarn over, pull up and pull through. Pull up and pull through. Keep it nice and loose. And count stitches. We are going to continue slip stitching for 30 rows. I've got here 30 rows. So carry on and we will meet when our main part is ready. And don't cut this end. I later show you how to weave in this end. And here is our square. We should fold it in half with these pointing at you, looking at you. So when you turn it out, the V's will look downwards. You can take a hook of a smaller size in order to seam ends more conveniently. We insert the hook into the very first loop and of the opposite side, and we'll pull out this loop from the point where we have just ended our crochet, like this. Insert a hook into the next stitch and into the back loop. This method is called slip stitching. You should be here careful in order to have nice seaming into the back loop as well. Yarn over and pull through, and we go like this till the place where our thumb will go through. I have crocheted 20 slip stitches here, and here is the place where the thumb goes through, and you should try it on in order for your thumb to feel comfortable here and your mitten to be not too loose or too tight. So for me here is 20 slip stitches. For the place where my thumb will go through, it will take 15 slip stitches, and here 5 slip stitches. Okay, let me show you how it works then. We should move on to lining up these two seams after this gap for our thumb, and we'll crochet just one side, this side, by slip stitching. For me, this gap takes 15 slip stitches, but it can be another quantity for you. You should try it on so that the glove fits your thumb well. So we insert the hook behind this loop, and again by slip stitches crochet it this way. Right away, let's line up these two seams. We'll do it by slip stitching. You should count stitches from this side and this side. They should be here and here should be the same amount of stitches. So here is our seaming ready. Pull out a long loop and cut off a yarn. This part is ready, some is ready, and let's hide this tail. For this, I insert a hook here and pull out a loop, pull out a yarn, then let it be here. Here. So it is the principle. Okay, let's turn it out and we'll see what a beautiful mitten we've got. We have completed our work. We did a wonderful job. Thank you so much for watching. Like this video and hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and see you soon in my next videos.